In question 2, we have to find the value of the unknown interior angle x in the following figures. So if you look at each of these 6 given figures carefully, you will see that in each figure, one exterior angle is given, and of the two opposite interior angles, one of the interior angles is given and the other interior angle is x, and that is what we have to find. So to solve each part, we will use the exterior angle sum property of triangles, which says that any exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. So let's start with part 1. In part 1, 115 degrees is this exterior angle and the opposite interior angles are x and 50 degrees. So we can say that 115 degrees, the exterior angle, is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. So 115 degrees will be equal to x plus 50 degrees. So this means that x will be equal to 115 degrees minus 50 degrees, and this is equal to 65 degrees. So this is the answer for part 1. Next we come to part 2, in which the exterior angle given is this angle 100 degrees and the opposite interior angles are 70 degrees and x. So we can say that 100 degrees is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles, 70 degrees plus x. So x will be equal to 100 degrees minus 70 degrees, which is equal to 30 degrees. So 30 degrees is the answer for part 2. In part 3, the exterior angle given is this angle 125 degrees and the opposite interior angles are x and this angle. So what is this angle? So it's indicated that this angle is 90 degrees. So we can write 125 degrees, the exterior angle, is the sum of the opposite interior angles, so x plus 90 degrees. So from here we will get x is equal to 125 degrees minus 90 degrees, and this is equal to 35 degrees. So 35 degrees is the answer for part 3. Next, in part 4, the exterior angle given is this angle 120 degrees and the opposite interior angles are 60 degrees and x. So we can say that 120 degrees will be equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles, 60 degrees plus x. So from here we will get x equal to 120 degrees minus 60 degrees, and this will be equal to 60 degrees. So 60 degrees is the answer for part 4. Then in part 5, the exterior angle given is this angle 80 degrees and the opposite interior angles are 30 degrees and x. So we can write 80 degrees will be equal to 30 degrees plus x, the sum of the opposite interior angles. So from here we will get x equal to 80 degrees minus 30 degrees, and this is equal to 50 degrees. So in part 5 the answer is 50 degrees. And then finally in part 6, the exterior angle given is this angle 75 degrees and the opposite interior angles are x and 35 degrees. So we can say 75 degrees is equal to x plus 35 degrees, and from here we will get x equal to 75 degrees minus 35 degrees, and this will be equal to 40 degrees. So for part 6 the answer is 40 degrees. And with this we have completed question number 2. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.